morning and welcome to Corey at Home on YouTube. I have for you today another unboxing video. Even though I said I really don't do those quite too often on here, it's something that I do enjoy doing. So today we are going to be unboxing the BuffBoxx subscription box. And one of the reasons that I chose this box for today's review is because I am on a fitness journey. And if you follow me on my regular blog, coryathome.com, or on Instagram, which is instagram.com/coryathome, you'll know that I am trying to include a daily workout, but I'm also trying to eat healthier. The workouts are coming easier, but it's the daily, the eating and things like that I'm struggling just a little bit with. So after looking into a couple of the subscription boxes out there, I reached out to the people at BuffBoxx, and they were kind enough to send me a sample box for a review. So here it is. And with every BuffBoxx, you are given the opportunity to post a picture of your BuffBoxx to Instagram, tag them using hashtag BuffBoxx, and then you could win an awesome prize like Bluetooth speakers. So that's pretty neat. They give you the opportunity for that. And let's see what we have in our box. So the BuffBoxx includes a workout card, a meal plan from Fitness VT, and it also includes a grocery list, which is pretty awesome. The BuffBoxx products, supplements, and drinks. And you also get a BuffBoxx 2017 calendar magnet. I think this just might be the first box, so let's see what we have in here. We have Run Performance Gum. We have another package of Run Performance Gum. Grizzly Protein Eat the Bear Chocolate Peanut Butter Whey Pure Isolate Protein Pre and Post Workout. This I'm actually pretty excited to try. And we have more of those Eat the Bear Grizzly Protein chocolate peanut butter flavored. And who really does not like chocolate and peanut butter? It's one of my favorite combinations. We have a Bolt Pro Bar Organic Energy Chews and Strawberry. So it has organic fruit blend, electrolytes, complex carbs, and B vitamins. Two packages of that. And we have in here exercise sleds. You know what? I was actually looking at these on Amazon and I was kind of miffed, not so much by the prices, but where to start in terms of, okay, which one do I buy? Which ones do I need? Do I need multiple sets? So this is really awesome. Now I don't have to go buy them on Amazon. I got them included in my box. So looking forward to adding those into my exercise routine, probably with the PiYo program or something else. We'll see. And I got a gray BuffBoxx tank top. Very clever using the kettlebell for the O. And we have a blue BuffBoxx fitness fitness tank, which is awesome because I needed another one of those too. If you've seen my exercise videos, well, post-workout pictures on Instagram, you'll see, you know, I don't really wear proper workout clothing, even though I should. So that is contents of my very first BuffBoxx. I hope that it's not the last because I really enjoyed the selection in here, and I know that I'm going to get great use out of the products. So be sure to head over to my blog, coryathome.com, for a full and thorough review of the products. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.